Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to show you Beyond. This is a new smart doll that just was released by Culture Japan for April 2021. And I have my other doll here. She is resilient. She is the, she's wearing a dress that I'm kind of working on right now, so, but she looks cute from the front. But anyway, this is resilient and she is in the T-tone, the T-skin tone. And I have been wanting another smart doll. As soon as I got her, she's my first and my only one until Beyond showed up. But as soon as I got her, I knew this was an addiction. I'm being very careful. I would say if I had more money, for sure, I would definitely buy more of these, but I'm having to save up. And because I followed Danny Chu on Instagram, I knew Beyond was coming and I was able to save my pennies for her. So yeah, let's get her out of the box. By the way, hopefully this setup will work. The first time I unboxed my first smart doll, this gal, I did it from a different angle. Normally I prefer to have the dolls in, take center stage, and I don't show myself when I'm unboxing a doll all the time. But it was really difficult to film her because they're such big dolls. So I'm trying this. I am my only cameraman, and so we'll see how this goes. I did get some extras so I could reach the maximum amount to get the free shipping. I will look at these in another video. Let's get to the dolly. So yeah, she's Beyond. Of course, we have the bag that they come in. Alright, so I am going to have to open that up to get her wig out. So let's go ahead and get her out of the bubble wrap here. Whew. That's a big tall thing of bubble wrap. It's a big tall girl. Alright, so if you notice, she's wearing, her undies are gray and black versus the white that they usually come with. Some of the dolls now come with gray and black and some come with white. I don't think, you don't get a choice. Okay, you get what you get. Oh, her face is so pretty. And, okay, her nose is a little bit different, too. You see that? You can look, there you go. Look how pretty she is. Oh, my goodness. And look, she's got holes in her nose. So, let's take Resilient here, and you can see get a good look at her nose. She has no... Now, both of these are semi-real. They're not the anime style that Culture Japan originally created. I don't know if you can see. She's got no nostril holes. Okay, so this is an older version of the semi-reals, and he has since changed his noses and given them nostrils. Oh, all right. Wow, I really like this skin tone. Is gorgeous. So pretty. Alright, so yes, I'm going to have to get her wig out. Now when I ordered her, and she has come back in stock. I ordered her as soon as I saw her. Like I said, I've been basically stalking Danny Chu. I'm not the only one who stalks him, okay? On Instagram. So I also got a notification from, I also got a notification when she was out from the Culture Japan website, so I was able to run over and get her right away, and she sold out pretty quickly. However, since then, she did come back in stock. I don't know at this point in time if she's still back in stock or not, but, oh, interesting. So on her underwear here it says, with Smart Doll, the future is in your hands. On her undies. You see that? Oh, how funny. So when she came out, she had one option for the wig. I mean, actually it wasn't an option. She had one wig. And on Instagram, when he had shown her before, he actually, the first time I saw her, he was asking his followers, which wig did you prefer? And he showed a mohair tight twisted wig, and he also showed a short oceanic wig. I think they call it oceanic wig or something. It basically has a wavy style wig. I really like them both. If Culture Japan would start selling wigs again and had that available, I would buy the other wig so she would have both of them. But I did actually want the mohair twisted wig, and that's what she came with. I noticed about a few days later that they had her available again, and the option to pick one wig or the other, which I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bummed about that, but I would have picked the other wig anyway. But still, it would have been nice to have a choice, I guess. It would be nice to be able to buy both wigs, because that's one of the cool things with these dolls is you can change out, you know, their wigs. So she has the cocoa skin. I really like her face mold. It's you know, she has a serious, thoughtful look. Beautiful brown eyes. Get a little close up of her again. All right, I'm going to get her wig out of the box. And of course, the stand is in here. Oh, that's nice. So the end of the stand matches her skin tone. So that's good to have. And oh, that's right. You get a little, like a little mystery eraser in case you scratch up her body, which I hope I don't do. Huh, I thought I ordered... Well, shoot, I was going to put this in another video, but I guess I'll go ahead and show you. I swear I thought I ordered her some shoes, and I don't see them in here. I ordered 2 packs of hands, one for obviously for Beyond, and one for Resilient. And I can't remember. Okay, this is pack number 4, and this is pack number 1. I didn't want them to have the same exact hands. But, you know, that's odd that I swear I thought I ordered some shoes. I guess I'm going to have to check that. Well, bummer, girls, because I thought I ordered some boots. Of course, I put them in my cart and out of my cart like 20 times, so. That's a bummer. I was looking forward to those shoes. But, all right, so anyway, I have the doll. That's what matters. And I have hands now for the dolls. And, yeah, well, in another video, I'll play with the hands and show you those hands more carefully. And, of course, you get this little cute postcard. All right, so here's the eraser. Here is her stand. Here is her wig. Let me see. Oh, how pretty. I love the textury look of this. So, of course, it's in a net, which I saved this so that in case I want to change out their wigs later, I can store these. If I can get off my hand. I think I'm going to save that whole little thing there. And I saved the boxes and keep their clothes in those. All right. How pretty. It's very soft. Alright, so I'm going to put the wig on her. I'm not going to show me putting the wig on her, or else this video would probably be like 3 hours long because I'm terrible at getting their wigs on. So I will put on her wig and be right back to show you this beautiful doll with some hair. Alright, I'm back and I've got her wig on. This took some doing. These wigs are like in the middle part, they're stretchy, but on the outer edges, they are not stretchy at all. So I have watched the video where Danny's putting it on and he says wiggle, wiggle, wiggle it and everything, but it doesn't wiggle that great for me. So usually it ends up me sticking her between my legs and, you know, really manhandling her. But I got it on. Whew. That was a workout. And she looks great in it. I do really like this wig. Like I said, I wish I could have bought both of them, honestly. And I am thinking, I keep saying I'm going to get a different wig for this other doll. I call her Ella, and I'm thinking of calling this doll Natalie because there's a novel I wrote that it's about a doll doctor, and her best friend looks just like Natalie here. Her best friend Natalie looks just like this doll in my mind, and she is the protagonist, Ella. So Ella and Natalie now are together in my doll room, so I'm loving it. You're going to see more of these dolls. I'm going to do some playing around with their hands now that I got them some hands. Their wardrobe is growing, even though I have not personally made a whole lot of clothes. I'm kind of like halfway done with this dress right here, but yeah, now I'm thinking every time I get one, I'm like, I need to buy them some clothes. So I have some jeans in my Etsy cart for her. So yeah, look for some more Smart Doll videos coming up. But yeah, I hope you guys, what do you guys think of this new doll Beyond? Do you like her wig, or do you like the other one better? What do you think? I do like this one, and if you know of some places, I'm looking for places to buy wigs. I know of one place, but if you know, and I can't remember the name of it now, it's on Etsy. And also shoes. I'd like to get them some sandals, you know, something casual. Most of the stuff that I see is either like boots or high heels. And my dolls are boho, chic, you know, like on the in between Maury girl and beach girl, I guess you could call them. So anyway, I'm super stoked that Beyond is finally here, and now I have 2 Smart Dolls. Yippee-doo-dah. And so yeah, so now I have 2 Smart Dolls. That means I have a Smart Doll collection now, for reals. Thank you guys for stopping by. I always appreciate a thumbs up, and I appreciate you watching my videos, and of course subscribing and hitting the bell icon, and coming by and spending dolly time with me whenever I post a new video. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.